Looking for the best tool belt to boost your productivity? Whether you're an electrician, carpenter, or DIY enthusiast, a great tool belt is essential for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 tool belts designed for comfort, durability, and efficiency. Number 1. Klein Tools 55427 Tradesman. The Klein Tools 55427 Tradesman Pro Electrician's Padded Tool Belt and Tool Pouch Combo is designed for maximum comfort and durability. Featuring padded support and adjustable fit, size medium, this belt ensures long-lasting comfort during extended use. The rugged, heavy-duty construction enhances durability, making it ideal for professional electricians. Multiple spacious pouches provide easy access to essential tools, improving efficiency on the job. The reinforced stitching and high-quality materials ensure this tool belt withstands tough work environments. Whether you're a professional electrician or a serious DIYer, the Klein Tools 55427 offers a comfortable, secure, and organized way to carry your tools. Perfect for long hours on the job, it's a must-have for any tradesman. Number 2. Klein Tools 5240 Tool Pouch. The Klein Tools 5240 Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch is a durable and efficient tool pouch designed for electricians and maintenance professionals. It features 9 pockets, a tape thong, and a 2-inch tunnel loop, ensuring quick and easy access to essential tools. Made from heavy-duty polyester, this pouch is built to withstand tough job site conditions while keeping your tools organized. Its lightweight and compact design provides all-day comfort, and the reinforced stitching enhances durability. The pouch securely holds screwdrivers, pliers, meters, and other small tools, making it a perfect choice for professionals who need a reliable tool holster. If you're looking for a comfortable, portable, and long-lasting tool pouch, the Klein Tools 5240 is the ideal solution. Number 3. DeWalt Professional Tool Belt. The DeWalt DDUST 540602 Professional Tool Belt Organizer is designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Featuring 25 spacious pockets, this tool belt provides ample storage for tools, fasteners, and accessories, keeping everything within easy reach. The included padded suspenders help distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during long hours of work. Built with heavy-duty materials, this tool belt ensures long-lasting durability, making it perfect for construction workers, electricians, and contractors. The adjustable belt design offers a customized fit, enhancing comfort and stability. With reinforced stitching and rugged construction, it withstands tough job site conditions. Whether you're a professional tradesman or a serious DIYer, the DeWalt DWST 540602 is the perfect tool belt for staying organized, comfortable, and efficient on the job. Number 4. Tool Belt with Suspenders. The Tool Belt with Suspenders is a heavy-duty tool organizer designed for framers, carpenters, electricians, construction workers, and woodworkers. Featuring 22 spacious pockets, it provides ample storage for tools, nails, and accessories, keeping everything easily accessible. The adjustable suspenders help distribute weight evenly, reducing back and shoulder strain for all-day comfort. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this tool belt is built to withstand tough job site conditions. The reinforced stitching ensures long-lasting use, while the bright orange design enhances visibility for added safety. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this tool belt offers a comfortable, secure, and organized solution to improve productivity on the job. Stay efficient and prepared with this reliable tool belt. Number 5. Magnetic Tool Belt with 27 Pockets. The Magnetic Tool Belt with 27 Pockets is a heavy-duty, padded tool organizer designed for electricians, carpenters, construction workers, and handymen. Featuring a detachable and adjustable tool pouch, it provides customizable storage for tools, nails, and accessories. The built-in magnetic holder keeps small metal tools and fasteners secure, ensuring quick access and efficiency on the job. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this tool belt offers long-lasting performance in tough work environments. The padded design enhances comfort, while the adjustable fit ensures a secure and personalized feel. With its black and yellow design, this tool belt combines style, functionality, and durability, making it the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Stay organized, efficient, and comfortable on every project.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.